What's up, friends? Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Nikon will introduce new Coolpix P1100 camera. If talk about the camera will be its crazy 125x optical zoom, a possibly 16 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, 7 fps continuous shooting speed, and 4K video recording capabilities. The Nikon Coolpix P1100 will be a very unique camera. There will be no real competitors. Its closest rival is its predecessor. The Coolpix P1000, which offers inferior zoom in range, no RAW shooting capability, inferior electronic viewfinder, and it is limited to full HD video. This makes the P1100 possibly the most feature-rich super zoom. The build quality of the Coolpix P11 will be quite good, in line with what one would expect from a high-quality Nikon camera. The camera body will be possibly mostly plastic, including the bulky lens barrel. As long as you don't drop the camera, it should be able to handle plenty of normal use in the field. In regards to ergonomics, Nikon has mostly done a great job. The grip is covered with soft rubber, similar to what we see on Nikon's high-end cameras. It feels deep, source, and comfortable, even for larger hands. The shutter release is where it should be, while the on-off switch has been moved to a dedicated button on top of the camera. Although there will be an up-down switch on the left side of the lens barrel for zooming in and out. Nikon also provided the same functionality on the shutter release dial. This way you can move it clockwise to zoom in and counterclockwise to zoom in out. The electronic viewfinder EVF on the Nikon Coolpix P11 will be very good. It will be a lot more resolution compared to the Nikon Coolpix P1000, and it will be feel brighter in comparison. It is not as good as the EVF on the Nikon Z series cameras. It feels quite digitized and noisy in low light, considering that the image is coming from a tiny sensor. The Nikon engineers pushed the EVF away from the camera body, squashing your nose on the rear LCD. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.